Well, in the run-up to the Karnataka election, CNN-IBN is bringing you the Karnataka Yatra. Our first stop is in Belgaum in North Karnataka.
It's a town which is at the heart of a border dispute between Karnataka and Maharashtra, and CNN-IBN's Veera Raghav is finding out that the linguistic divide runs deep.
As we enter Belgaum in peak election season, the challenge to Karnataka's control over the area comes from the Maharashtra Ekikaran Samiti, or the MES. It's been a key political force in the city, and their one-point demand is for Marathi majority areas to be merged with Maharashtra.
हमने कभी ये कन्नड़ वासियों को कभी विरोध नहीं किया है। हमारा जो कहना है कि हमको जाने का है महाराष्ट्र में, तो उसी के लिए हम आज तक जो भी न्याय मांगने के लिए आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाके पहुंचे हुए हैं।
On the other side of the Belgaum divide, both the BJP and Congress have used the dispute to reassert their Kannada identity for political gains in the rest of the state. The result is politics of symbolism. The entry into Belgaum is marked by this grand structure, the Suvarna Sauda. It's the seat for Karnataka Assembly's winter session, and it's a symbolic reassertion of Karnataka and Bangalore's control over this region. On the ground, candidates like Lakshmi Hebelkar of the Congress is a Kannadiga and strongly argues in favor of imposition of compulsory Kannada on boards and shops in the area. This despite her constituency having a majority Marathi population.
Maratha people and youngsters, moreover youngsters and educated people, they now realize that we are living in Karnataka state and we have to adopt and we have to accept the culture.
It's the imposition of Kannada that aggravates the divide, says Sunil Pavle. He's a third-generation Marathi trader in Belgaum's busy marketplace. And traders from either side of the linguistic divide say in the politics of language, Belgaum's development has been ignored.
बस बेलगाम में कर्नाटक का बड़ा खेड़ा है। भले यहाँ पे उन्होंने विधानसभा बनवाया होगा, लेकिन आप देखते होंगे बेलगाम के रोड देखो, बेलगाम का पब्लिक का ये देखो, बेलगाम का बिजनेस देखो।
पहले यहाँ पर कोई भाषावाद नहीं था, भाषा द्वेष भी नहीं था, चाहे मराठी हो, कन्नड़ा हो या मुस्लिम्स हो। ये अभी एक 25-30 साल से ये जो द्वेष सरकार की तरफ से बढ़ गया है यहाँ पर।
But for the moment, in the elections of 2013, Belgaum continues to be dominated by the Marathi versus Kannada divide. In Belgaum, with video journalist G. Venkatachala, this is Veera Raghav.